What is up, guys? How are you guys doing today? I am back here with another video of just a video. Today I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer. Now this is really easy. All you need is rubbing alcohol. That's really all you need. So what you want to do is obviously have a cup or something to actually put this in. And what you want to do is put the rubbing. Okay, just put it back in there. So what you want to do is put some rubbing alcohol. It's completely okay. See, I got some on the table. But as you see, and what you want to do is put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Okay? Put it right here. And there you go, and you're going to wait 15 minutes. Then we're going to come back. Alrighty. Come back. We got it. It's literally just that easy, and I should have brought the top. Rub it in your hands. And there you go. You have your hand sanitizer. I should have brought the thing. That's how you make hand sanitizer. It's that easy. All you need is this. Rubbing alcohol. That's like the main thing. Camera stocks. We don't want to waste too much alcohol now. The wrong time to waste alcohol. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and I will try to answer them. See you guys in my next video that I post.